flying high, almost touch the sky. Birds flying high, almost touch the sky.
Reality setting in, the clock stops for nobody. So whatever you thought about doing, you should get accomplished. I ain't scared to fail if I gave it all that I had. Don't think we're just someone's doing what everyone else is. I know too many that want it and claim to have things figured out, but there's a difference from doing and something that you talk about. I swear my time is coming, I can feel it every day. My music for your love, yeah, that'll be the exchange. Someone see my life and feel like nothing should affect it, but still I got a heart that could get damaged in an instant. Some tell me to quit, they say maybe I will be better off. How long have you been at this? Just tally up the cost. I wanna look back later and know I gave it my all. I'll be thanking people soon for everyone who's involved. This is more than what you think, and while I'm here to prove it, I'll tell you every time this is my place and I just moved in. See, we all tryna make it. All we need is hard work and dedication. Can't forget a lot of grinding and some patience. Reach for the stars and tell people they gon' respect this. Yeah, this been on my mind forever. I got a love for it, I ain't scared to tell ya. You wonder what I'm doing, this is my reply. You can never hold me down, cause I'm about to touch the sky. You gotta keep going strong. You gotta take what you want. You gotta break down walls and get up no matter how many times that you fall. You gotta keep going strong. You gotta take what you want.